Where's Mohbad's phone? Where's Mohbad's property? Everything that belongs to Mohbad now, where it is now.
Listen, like one of my family friend at where Mohbad lives, he say it's Mohbad that bought that house, that they lying. They move out in that house because of all the evidence that Yomi are digging into the case.
They might have sold that house by now. They might have sold the house.
Well, that's
very possible.
Mr. Prince, according to information I got, they said they tried to sell the house, but fortunately, people were not buying the house because of the situation.
What happens?
Well, the situation surrounding it, yes.
The reason why they have not been able to sell the house was because if peradventure in the nearest future, the Mohbad gets justice, which is going to get eventually, it might affect the buyer.
Exactly. It will
affect the buyer. What do you expect?
Yeah.
Even spiritually. Apart ọ̀rọ̀ Jolly, spiritually, ẹni yẹn ò lè gbádùn for the rest of his life.
Kò lè gbádùn láíláí.
Ilé ẹ̀jẹ̀. Ilé tẹ́ ò ti tẹ̀jẹ̀ sílẹ̀ sí. Ta ló fẹ́ rárú yẹn?
You see how wicked this family are. When they moved out from their house, they left Mohbad's picture on the wall.
Yes.
They left Mohbad's picture on the wall.
You know why they were attacking the body?
That's a little
Do you know why they were attacking Yomi Fabi? They knew that only Yomi Fabi in that movement who were on the front line. They knew he's the only one in the front line that wants justice.
Yeah, that's the reason why
they want to bring him down at all costs.
Remember, not that we that we are in the underworld pressing our button, coming on live stream every day to call the attention of the people and the government. Not that we are not seeing our own attacks. So, the only thing they have not been able to do is to use thread and needle to seal our mouths.
Truly possible. That's not possible.
It's not possible because how can a family plan to go and meet the woman next door to get the CCTV footage, and you people sent that woman a threat message with her NIN and her car plate number?
Ẹ wá sọ pé ó máa sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣé máa sọ̀rọ̀ ní máa ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ tí mo lọ́mọ tí mo ní gbogbo ẹ̀ tí mo lẹ́yìn.
With the picture of our children, our kids.
Yes, tí mi ò mọ Mohbad kí ló kàn mí pẹ̀lú Mohbad màá wá sọ kí ni.
What are they covering? That made them to take such step.
They are covering a lot.
Didn't that speak volume?
it is.
Sure. Sure it did.
Nǹkan tí mo tiẹ̀ tó fẹ́ sọ ẹ wo at every junction of pé tá bá fẹ́ rí justice Karimo will always come out and do sabotage.
Always restless.
You understand? A lot.
She knows what she has done.
And you could not see anything for over 2 years, for the past 2 years now. And you knew her. None of the family members, even from Mohbad's family, could say one thing.
Yeah.
Every of their utterances, everything, it shows that this thing, the whole family, both family, from Wunmi and the Mohbad's family,
They know something.
what happened.
Yeah.
Wọ́n kàn lo report.
Exactly. Okay. Yeah, exactly. They are keeping it away from the public. Yeah.
But I tell us this year, I will say it again. The mistakes both family has made so far is thinking that they can use the public. They actually thought they can use the public to cover up anything. Although to them, as long as they continue to think
these people don't forget because they don't talk about that like people do.
Most of the lórí supervisor now wọ́n ti mú àwọn méjì. Why ti public ò ṣe stand bí Yomi ṣe gbé yín lé wọn yẹn? Àwa náà support ká gbé yín lé wọn kí the whole public gbé yín lé wọn.
Yomi Fabiyi was supposed to be our front runner.
Exactly. I tell you, people that donated more than 300 million from my own information and intel I have got, they are not supposed to adhere to the option of letting that good for nothing Muyiwa, whom Baba Mohbad presented, to lead the road. The public were not supposed to adhere to that option of him having to be the one to choose to take care of the legal whatever.
Yes, now.
Because the moment they had the moment they are the one that is communicating with the lawyer or the attorney whatsoever, it gives them direct access to the public funds.
Beneficiary, for what you just said now, do you know Baba Mohbad was not supposed to be among people tó ń gbowó sanwó nù kéèsì yẹn? Kò sí iye sọ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀pẹ̀. Mr. Prince, I said owó tó bá máa fún Baba Mohbad owó oúnjẹ wọn kò pé kí bàbá yìí má kú ká dáwó fún un kó máa líbì kò sẹ́ni tó máa bí nírú owó yẹn. Mr. Prince, mo sọ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. I said it earlier. I said Baba Mohbad, you do not have any right to meddle into who is talking to the lawyer. The public has come forth to give you their support by donating the necessary money, and they have not stopped donating. They will continue to donate until we get justice for Mohbad. You have no right whatsoever to meddle into whatever amount they've donated. Let them set up an account, maybe with Wema Bank or First Bank or anything. We will choose two signatories to the account, one man, one woman. And these two people, these two individuals will be some individuals who are financially doing fine for themselves. Beneficiary, sorry to cut you short. In the case of Timothy, it was Amsat that led the public. They use his this organization, charity organization. Yes. And nobody and everybody he was coming out to update. I was informed. People Mr. Prince donating, and people did not even ask Amzat báwo lẹ ṣe náwó yìí tí ẹ fẹ́ ask the organization by any, because you have seen the result. Yes, I was involved with Timothy Adegoke's case that time. I was involved. I used to message Amzat Oriyomi directly. He responds to my messages directly. I was really involved. That is it. Every time I will message Egbon, how is it going? What do we need? Everybody that is contributing. I contributed during Timothy Adegoke when the situation happened in Ile-Ife. Lord of Abolori Buruku to that issue. Lord of Baba Baba to what genuine for Tawaye. Ẹ̀gbọ́n Timothy for over 100 million naira. It did not collect. More than 100 million. It did not collect. Wọ́n bribe Baba, wọ́n bribe Oya, but they did not collect. And they have not. Guess what? Mr. Prince, guess what? They didn't bribe the Egbon Timothy with transfer physical cash. They wanted to collect the money and at the last moment of that, they wanted to kidnap the guy. The Timothy's senior brother. They wanted to kidnap him. On that matter. Can you see the way they call for me to go fraud me? The public. but they did not even back down. Wọ́n pa ológun ọmọ wọn. Wọ́n rówó jẹ́ wọn.
Mr. Prince. Mr. Prince. YouTube Premium. Mr. Prince. Oftentimes I used to say this. I want to say it in public again. Let's assume, because me now, I've been running my foundation without camera or videos. I have close people who are not much that reach out to me sometimes, or I reach out to. Let me use. Recently, we have 2 women in the hospital. One has done an operation. We are going to have another operation tomorrow, with total to 750,000. Why am I saying this? Now, I have a sister in FFB that sent me money to contribute to the woman operation. She trusts me, Abi. Sometimes when I send her receipt, she will tell me, hey, but why are you sending me receipt? I believe you. All right. Let us assume that when we have something to do, like the lady we bought a sewing machine for, I presented the receipt, the lady came to say thank you. Let's assume that when she sent me a donation to help the lady to get a sewing machine, I now accelerate the money. When she asked me for, have you bought this stuff? Sometimes it might just be cool. Have you bought this stuff? Let me now be defensive. Instead of
now be doing
we are not supposed to have argument, because when we deliberated about it, there was no argument.
yes.
Why are we having argument? A simple question was just being asked. Have you bought it? Yes or no?
Or no?
Yes, very simple question.
That was the issue.
On this ceremony at all.
Well, you don't need to go. Motirao, the safety ring.
Baba Mohbad don't have any effrontery to abuse any public.
That is what I was saying. Before those lunatics came that I should not use my platform to abuse Baba Mohbad. We are asking for accountability. You are saying we are abusing Baba Mohbad. So I said something. Why are you people pampering Baba Mohbad? I want to understand. Because Mama Temini, someone who I lost my senior brother. My mother was alive in 2010. You can't tell me Baba Mohbad is grieving.
Hungry for that compulsory. Tell me.
The public donated money. Do you know what it takes for the public to come together to hand you their added money?
Yes, now. Professor, we don't know. Professor, we say we are family. Yes, now. It's not our family now.
So when they are now asking you for accountability, you are not seeing that as maybe as an insult. You are not calling the money they donated to you, or for the cause of you getting justice for yourself. I don't understand. That is how it is. Somebody that I don't know on TikTok, she messaged me on Instagram. I didn't respond to the message because I don't reply to messages. She had to come to my TikTok and drop a message on comment section here. Said, Mr. Onigaje, I sent you a message on Instagram. I want to buy gold. That was why I went to respond to her message. She has not met me before. She has only been seeing pictures on TikTok and Instagram. She trusted me and sent money to my account. I got her the gold. I got her what she asked for. I took my profit. She received her goods. She was happy. I was even the one that went to go and deliver it, because it's very dangerous now to be using all this rider. Even all these goods rider, people don't get it.
Especially on valuable things.
I went to her house in Orchid Road, like to deliver it. I saw her received it. I called her on WhatsApp video call. She picked. I showed her. Her son was there. Hello, talk to your mommy. Open it. I don't want to go. If I bet those, was she right? One deliver for her. Could I say boxer? Could I say boxer? Please confirm it. This is what you receive.
Yes, sir.
Now, let us assume that when that woman reached out to me and sent money to me to help her get that good, and I shop the money. Please, when she comes to TikTok or Instagram to drag it, she won't even go to Instagram. àwọn olùgbé nísinsìnyí onírọ́ ló kún bẹ̀. Let us talk about TikTok here. Please, so what kind of explanation am I going to be giving or excuses that will make anybody to trust me? Because she will be presenting receipts.
Yes, now. She will account innocent also.
Because she will be presenting receipts. The question is, did she send me money, yes or no? The answer is no. The answer is yes. Okay, did I provide her with the provide her with the value of what she sent money for? Yes. The answer is no. So what if we now ask, where is the evidence? My brother,
and you provide. That's so now. That's so.
What am I going to be talking about now? Because when the people gathered money for you collectively, they didn't even do the autopsy and the toxicology. Yet they lied. Lagos government thought you were there for say, I want to parappa was send the sample up because only for them to come forth later to beg to say they lie, blah 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 blah.
Let's forget about the government. Wait, let's forget about the government too. Our own, the one we donated money for, don't know for one paper ever.
Lagata, Lagata got the fake results. You know,
àwọn tó bá kúkúrú wọn lọ kó pépé ẹ̀pà wọ́n download on Google result kan on Google wọ́n wá fún wa.
Ṣé wọ́n mọ̀ pé okay, these people don't know that we have advanced technology now to detect fake documentation.
I don't know if that's okay. Also, Bethany Omologo give information, maybe, you know, and she always get facts, that woman.
She left my phone on the private autopsy and toxicology, right? You know, this is where obviously the pain, you know, get to me personally, because I remembered when these people came with the fake government results, right? And Brekete then exposed these people. And when they came out with the results, you know, me and two other guys planned a big protest in UK and in America as well. So you understand? To fight and make sure that we investigate that particular result. Do you know that this Muiwa guy went behind to silence that? Hello? No, we did the protest. The outcome, the Nigerian doctor that was involved were connected to this guy. And they silent it. And when you keep asking this guy, because he is the power of Anthony. I've never met this guy. I don't know him, but it's what he's telling you on the phone that you will believe, right? And now you are now asking certain questions and these people refuse to answer you. And this is when I started opening like something is not right. Now, they contributed money, private autopsy was done, right? And they were telling people that this was their excuse, like they don't want anybody to know the name of the pathologist because of the TikTok and because of the nature of Justice for Mohbad, that there are some big men involved and all of these things, right? And these so-called critical thinkers, right, are aware of this result as at May last year, 2024. Baba knows about this result. Power of Anthony knows about this result. Their bloggers know about this result. Now I was not with them anymore. I still keep people saying that, and you need to grow up out of that. At some point, most of us have been supporting Baba before at the beginning. So now just different timing. That okay, it takes some people long time to remove their emotions and actually open their eyes, right? And if people keep attaching people's name, at some point these people too, you have dealt with them. You've had them on your platform, you have engaged these people, you have spoken to them before on the panel. So it happens. Why can you not move on from only Lagata? At some point Lagata used to deal with them. And so what? We started together. Same thing. Yeah, exactly. The same way you are associating my name with people, I can associate your name with people too that are no more doing good in the churches from Mohbad. So the results, they have it with them. I have the results.
Let's wake up.
No, I have the result too. But am I going to bring it out? No.
Papariano. So you don't do tatata. So you were doing tatata when we were shouting your name. Ashiri Chitu.
Let them bring it out themselves. Because there will not be any reason why, if these people are fighting for real justice for you, to organize a protest and go to that address in Spain where these people said that the private autopsy was done. I have all the documents here, but they have it too. Buki has it too. Your daddy, all of them, they have it. So why must it be me that will bring it out? They should bring it out too now.
Lagata, by law, anybody who posts it out is the one who bears the burden.
I know.
They should sue you.
I know,
the
and
law
that's why
says the person who revealed it out. The manipulation diagram, but
some people will say that you have all this evidence, you are not talking, you are not saying it, because they don't know how to fight. They don't know how to fight. You know, Agatha, you show all these things, and you're not talking about it, you're not letting people. But when Lagata was coming out, as at May last year, 2024, saying that people should protect their mental health, justice from Mohbad will not come from the family. It's only God that will give us this justice. I was campaigning that back to back, every platform I go to. I was speaking in parables, but people were not listening there. So now, you want me to now bring it out, and they will now say, it's Lagata that brought it out, though. It's Lagata that destroyed justice from Mohbad. As it is, my name is just everywhere. If you type Lagata YouTube, you just see my name. All these stupid bloggers. It's just everywhere. So, and they still know that there are so many things that will not come out from me. They need to, once they bring it out and they manipulate it, then I can bring out the full details.
You don't need it. Brother.
You understand?
Lagata, wait, don't bring anything out. See, all the Anyashe, Buki will expose them to me. Don't worry, that is why they are running a task at Aye. Ó máa ṣe kinní yẹn fún yín, apá gbogbo yín máa jábọ́ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ ti ṣu sí Bukky lọ́wọ́ tọ́ta yín máa bá. Ó máa gbé gbogbo ìdí yín gbóná.
They went to offer my eggs.
Ayé gbogbo yín ti bàjẹ́.
They went to offer my eggs.
So you know the truth all this while.
They went to offer my eggs.
The public was saying toxicology and they are inconclusive. Olúwọlé lẹ́gbẹ́ wá. All sort of things. Oníjà fún gbogbo yín. Ayé yín máa bàjẹ́. So you knew that mú ìwádìí dẹ̀ fake autopsy kò ní dá fún gbogbo yín òfò ní gbogbo yín máa ṣe. Àtẹ tó bá tún jáde dà I was not there when they were doing it. Ayé gbogbo yín máa bàjẹ́ kọ́kọ́. Because you know mú ìwá ìsọ̀gbágbá ẹ̀ka sára òfò ní gbogbo yín máa ṣe. Gbogbo owó public tí gbogbo yín gbà ẹ̀ ní fi ṣan tó dáa jẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ fi kọ́lé eléyìí máa wó mọ́ yín lórí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ fi ra mọ́tò yẹn ẹ máa kó sọ̀rọ̀ nínú ẹ̀ àtẹ̀yìn àti mọ́tò ẹ máa jó dànù. Bẹ́ẹ̀ fi gbólóṣó ẹ̀yìn àtọ́lóṣó ayé yín jọ máa lé dànù ni. Bó o fi kọ́lé ilé ìyàwó dànù. Bó o fi ní ọ́fíìsì yẹn máa jó dànù. Ẹ ní sórí ilé kọ̀ọ̀kan àtọ́lórí burúkú akígbe márùn tó bọ́ síta tó ní àìwọ̀sán ìwọ̀. Gbogbo yín lè wà bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ayé ẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́ ni. Olórí káàdìyàn ló ṣe.
You keep quiet. Wèrè ló ṣe. Wáyé náà wọ́n bẹ̀. Tóyìn kò ní dá fún ẹ kò ní sọ fún ẹ. Bí ẹ dàrú. Ó ṣe pápá.
Àṣẹ. Lẹ́yìn máa bẹ́ẹ̀ á dùn wọn Lagata. Ó mọ̀ pé òun ní àwọn ìpè tó wà.
So, see, Bẹ̀lẹ̀. Last week, one of them came out. He was shouting, Papariano. They now came to Papariano platform that the cutting Suko, that toxicology, he was not involved. It was Muiwa and Baba that they did fake toxicology. They now brought fake results.
So, you now know one thing here. They have two platforms. They have two platforms they want to attack. Yeah. And I will say it on here. The platform Papariano and Olori Ebi. They are cooking better pepper soup. You understand?
Please, that you have my platform. Hey, John Ebi. Platform me.
You were among them, don't worry. You were among them, that is why they were giving you bad because you are saying the truth.
You know, and they are planning it, and they are attacking people around him. When I heard the news, right, and I have it with evidence, right, so I see what they are trying to do, but I know say that way the Obo camera we did there, you know what that, you know he has his own thing, whatever, and I know he's guided. So you understand? But trust me, they are planning, and this person planning it, they know that I know now. And they want to attack me first, so that if they weaken that my strength, and then they will have access to Olodebi and Papayano. I don't even talk to him off this show. I don't have his number. I've never even sent a message to his inbox before, ever since this justice from Mohbad, right? And they are going as far as setting people up with women. This is last month.
Let me list you. Wait.
This is last month information.
Wait. Lakata, wait. This setting people with women, let me just list you. So there's a one young friend
that are involved.
Hold on.
You'll be shocked.
Please, hold on. Please, let me just list you. See, this setting people up with women, they sent one lady to me, very fine girl. She's going. Our picture shows she's going to Dubai, Paris. She's a clean girl. So she reached out to me that she wants to be my friend. Blah 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 blah. I was laughing. So she couldn't message me on TikTok. They told her not to message me on TikTok. So she came to my Instagram. Do you get it? So she first asked of my Snapchat handle. Hello baby, I don't do Snapchat, unfortunately. I don't know how to do all those things. Even this TikTok, I'm just learning it, you know. The girl was wanting us to be friends. She would send messages every day. But the past 3 days now, she has not sent message because she sees that it be like say this one no get time for nonsense. I knew where she was coming from, but because the person who sent her, that person is a pimp. Hello, I jẹ́ kí n fún information olóṣòlò àwọn máa ń do. Kò ń ṣàwọn tẹ̀ ń pákéjì lórí Instagram àwọn onígbẹ̀rẹ̀ bí lára. Gbogbo àwọn stress factor wọ́n dàbí ẹgbà. Ẹ ṣeré ní. Àwọn yálà yóò bò wà ní Benue corner. Àwọn yálà yóò bò. Àwọn òbò ní ìsìn láàfó. Àwọn òbò tó ní ìsìn ewúrà. Òbò ní wọ́n ṣe.
Never give up that trap.
If I were you, Benny would you not see Nigeria? Echo what Benny? As I was saying, this is how they are playing the game. And if Papayano is listening, they'll pay attention to this. They are using people that are closer, enemy of a friend. A friend of an enemy is also an enemy. And some of them does not even know that they are using them. But some of them, they are aware of it. So, I am telling you, the game they are playing is deep. And they know that I know. But I'm waiting for them. When it comes to my corner is very tight. Let me go there. I know what I'm saying. I know.
Yoba Lagata, Papayano. Let me also post our bubble set. And Mr. Prince, everybody that is listening. Young lady who reached out to me on TikTok. I can screenshot her message. She said she's having an alcohol that she wants me to help her to do deliverance and closer.
President.
Hold
Juju Galata.
Deliverance ni kọ́ máa lé ọkọ̀ ọ̀run dànù. Ẹ bá yín náà bá lè kó wá sórun, kó wá gbé ṣe ìgbélé ọ̀sẹ̀ kan.
I said these people are coming from different angles. He said she's having a failed relationship. She used to go to Celestial Church. When I went to check her profile, she goes to Celestial Church. So my response was, I said, your profile shows that you go to Celestial Church. The last time I checked, Celestial used to do what's going on? Baby.
Baby. Suffer me now.
There's no road there.
All the bad times call them. Ọ̀pẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ ló kì í ṣe kí ní bàbá àgbàlagbà ni. Àwọn ẹ máa sáré rẹ̀ mí yáfẹ́ gbọ̀n wẹ̀ lé mú bẹ̀lẹ̀ o.
Lọ́kọ̀ ni mo ní ẹ̀kọ́ sáré kìtàkìtà ẹ̀kọ́ lọ ẹ̀kígbẹ̀. Nobody is the funny part is kò sẹ́nìbọ̀dì tó ń bá àwọn pípọ̀ ìjà. Kò sẹ́nìbọ̀dì tó bá àwọn ọlọ́run lára wọn jà. Papa Riano has not made any move. The same thing goes to Lagata. And all the people they came to my platform to speak ill of. I'm very sure they've not taken a step. Charity hero Goni, we are looking for justice for Mohbad. You people are creating fracas. Ẹjọ́ àwọn ọlẹgbẹ́ yín kò ní dáa fún yẹn ṣe òfò. Àwọn ọlẹgbẹ́ yín kálẹ̀gbẹ́ yín tá ló bá yín ṣe gbogbo àwọn ìfọ̀ ọmọ 26 years old kú òkú ọ̀fọ̀ ẹ̀yin wá sọ di nǹkan bàbàrà. Are you people mad or you're just dumb? I don't get. Ẹ wá rán àwọn ìgbékeré kọ́ máa wá bá rú àwa yìí ẹ fẹ́ ṣọkọ̀ ọkọ̀ òru ló máa fọ́ ẹ lójú lùkúlùkù láǹjẹ ojú yín. Àrà tó máa pa yín òjò mìíràn níjọ́ tára máa pa yín máa ṣòfò. Ọkọ̀ ojú lẹ́yìn ọkọ̀. Ẹ̀yin ẹlẹ́sìn, ẹ̀yin wèrè, ẹ̀yin olórí ibú èèyàn. Ẹ wá rán àwọn Instagram. Ẹ̀yin olóṣó kéékèèké.
Àwọn Ìbàdàn ló máa ń gbóyàn báyìí o, olórí ibú.
Olórí ibú ni wọ́n. Mr. Prince olórí ibú ni wọ́n. Wọ́n lè wá nísìnyí ẹ̀kọ́ ṣe jábàjábà. Look at the way Karimo was confessing. See the way she confessed. Mo pa. Let me bring the video out again. Mo pa. Let me bring it out again. Mo fún lábẹ́rẹ́ ẹ̀kú. You can imagine.
Como vamos a escribir con el perro. ¿Qué pasó?
Papa, what do you think about what Karima just said on her voice now? Papa.
She's feeling people's emotion. Just imagine that. Just imagine.
Hello. You can imagine. Hello.
side of law. Emotionally, she's downplaying everyone's taking from just from about emotionally. Like, even if she's trying to be sarcastic, but this is true. This is extreme. You know, it's extreme, and she'll be punished for this. She'll be punished for this, and those who made her push her to this extent, I respect to now. And 360, we're going to say, sure.
360 degree. One time. Justice.
At least we spent 2 weeks for pushing her outside to converse. I just showed Rooney. So, and she was restless. So, and she's looking for somebody that will fight for her. She now went to Aduke Okin platform. So that one pushed her to confess. And she was fighting with Chama. Òun àti Chama gan ló jọjà lọ́jọ́ yẹn tó fi wá sọ àdúró ọ̀rọ̀ bàǹtàbàǹtà yìí.
Gbogbo àwọn olólùfẹ́ justice for Mohbad ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́gbọ́ yẹn o, àṣírí Kàrímọ́ òun ló tú síta yẹn o, ẹnu ara ẹ̀ ló fi sọ o, èèyàn kankan ló là lẹ́nu kó tó sọ. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí, ẹ share fídíò yìí, kẹ́ bá mi subscribe sílẹ̀ Ilé Global TV fún àǹfààní yẹn tó yẹ pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ lélẹ́yìí, ẹ bá mi subscribe sílẹ̀ Ilé Global TV. Kí lè rọ ọkàn yín? Kí lẹ̀yin rí sí àṣírí tó tú yìí? Ṣó lè jẹ́ pé Kàrímọ́ ló ń dédé sọ̀rọ̀, àbí pressure, àbí guilty conscience, àbí Mohbad ló ń dá sẹ̀ríà fún? Ẹ gbàdúrà ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ. Òun pa náà nìyẹn, òun gún lábẹ́rẹ́ ikú. Ẹ lọ mọ́lọ́pàá yín wá nílùú tó lọ́ba tó níjòyè kí wọ́n dẹ̀ máa confess wẹ́lẹ́. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi fi èrò ọkàn yín hàn lábẹ́ comment section. Ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí, ẹ dẹ̀ bá mi subscribe sílẹ̀ Ilé Global TV. Information ṣì pọ̀ o, mo tún padà bọ̀. Ire o.